Try to remember that Noah is actually Reed. So get it. Rob 1, Chuck 2, Walter 3, Ryan 4, Reed 5, and Jim in 6. So you're going to have Rob go another tone to less than 5. Chuck, Walter, Ryan, Reed, and Jerry. All right, they're off and running. Guys getting the second lap in right now. Thank you for the volunteer there, Talon. I didn't know if there's only 3. So right now I got Robin 1, Walter 2, Ryan 3, Chuck 4, Reed 5, and Jim in 6. Right now, close contact between Chuck and Ryan. They're 6/10 apart, swapping places every time they cross the line. Rob with another few fast lap at 15.747. Ooh, Chuck ran his fast lap at 16.2. Jim ran his fast lap at 19.5. Coming up to the halfway mark, drivers. We got 2:40 remaining. Caution into the straight. Be careful. Caution in the straight. It's clear. That's Ryan and Walter. Looks like theirs might be battling it out. Last time across, they were 6 seconds apart. Right now, we're within 10 feet. Technically, Walter does have to get in front of Ryan to take over the battle for third there. Let's see if I can cause him. Whoa! Walter gets ahead. See what happens this lap. Right now, Chuck is in second. Ryan third. Walter 5. Ooh, looks like that time crossing. Walter took over third place from Ryan. Final minute 10. The race is speeding up. The leader's still raw. By time across, he had 11.7 second lead on Chuck. Ooh, he's running a little bit of trouble there. You see the back markers start to check up for him. Right now, if Rob keeps this up, he'll be 2 seconds ahead to 2. Caution after the big tingle. First, Rob the new personal fast lap of 15.623. And fast lap of the race. Reed just ran his fast lap too of 17.361. with it. Less than 10 seconds remaining on race clock. All right, race clock is over. Keep going, guys. Tell you who does. Walter, you're the first one done. Chuck's done. Everybody else get down across the line. Noah's done. Rob's done. Wait for Ryan and Jim. Ryan and Jim. 2 left cars, 2 left cars. All right, everybody's done. So the end is Rob, followed by Chuck, Walter, Ryan, Noah 5, and Jim at 6.